The Log Cabin Pro Driver, driving profits for your business. As a successful fence contractor and sixth-generation farmer, Bill Iams recognized the need for a high-speed post driver.
In my 25 years of fence building, I've tried many post drivers, some with better results than others. We designed the Log Cabin Pro Driver for the high-volume fence professional that wants the best piece of equipment to do the best possible job. It has been proven that a hydraulically driven post is 10 times stronger than handset posts. And as the demand for fencing grows every year, your business will speed posting and increase profitability with the addition of the Log Cabin Pro Driver.
The Log Cabin Pro Driver is built for speed, setting up to 240 posts per hour under ideal conditions. That's 4 posts per minute. Note, prior to driving posts, it is necessary to follow 2 important steps. First, call before you dig. Be sure this is done both for reasons of safety and liability. Second, machine operator safety. Be sure to wear safety glasses, ear protection, gloves, and appropriate footwear. All Log Cabin Pro Driver models have hydraulic lift with a spring assist free fall that can be stopped at any time during the fall for safety. The fall will develop up to 100,000 pounds of impact to the top of the post. All standard beam Log Cabin Pro Drivers can drive posts 8 inches in diameter by 10 feet in length. With the tall beam driver option, you can drive posts up to 12 feet in length. And with the super tall beam option, you can drive posts up to 14 feet in length. The hydraulic base plate allows the Log Cabin Pro Driver to be tilted 25 degrees in all directions from vertical. This degree of tilt allows you to safely and easily drive posts to any angle needed, regardless of land conditions. Auger system. All Log Cabin Pro Drivers include a standard 4-inch auger system. That's right, a standard auger is already included in the price of your Log Cabin Pro Driver. The standard manual Log Cabin Pro Driver auger attaches to the bottom of the driver beam and is powered with a high-torque, low RPM hydraulic motor. The Log Cabin Pro Driver Power Down Auger System has recently been developed and is available for skid steer and tractor rear side slide models. This popular unit is permanently mounted and is always in standby mode. With the Power Down Auger, you have hydraulic down pressure to force the auger through frozen ground, rocks, and other difficult soil conditions. A new innovation in power down augering is in the form of a conversion kit to change your regular Pro Driver or a Kiwi brand driver to a pressure down system. Although you will still have to manually place the auger on the driver beam, this new innovation will drill in hard conditions much faster than the standard auger system. Self-contained unit. Log Cabin Pro Driver now offers a fully self-contained unit which uses the auxiliary hydraulics on the skid steer boom to power the auxiliary hydraulics on the self-contained unit. The advantages of a self-contained unit are that no oil contamination between the driver and the skid steer can occur. No additional hydraulic plumbing is required, and that allows more versatility in that the driver can be used on any skid steer with the universal mounting plate and auxiliary hydraulics. Mounts. There are numerous mounts to choose from, with options available for every need and budget. The standard skid steer front mount with options of self-contained, power down, high mount, and power tilt. The rear side slide tractor skid steer self-contained dual-purpose unit is available with a PTO pump option available for the tractor mount units. The most popular skid steer mount is the side shift unit with a mounting plate on both sides. This unit can be mounted with the driver either on the right or left side. It is self-contained and will stand on its own while it is not attached to the skid steer. Add the optional power down auger unit and you have the ultimate skid steer driver. The front tractor mount is a custom mount built upon request and mounts to the front of a tractor. The tractor mid-mount is another custom mount built upon request that will mount to any machine large enough to handle it. The last unit is the truck-mounted system. The Log Cabin Pro Driver truck mount is an all-purpose unit. It not only transports the driver to the job, but also materials and crew. At the Log Cabin Fence Company, 95% of the installations take place with the truck mount units. Manufacturing and support. All manufacturing of the Log Cabin Pro Driver is done in our state-of-the-art facility in Amity, Pennsylvania. This campus houses our fence installation company, vast showroom of fence supplies, as well as the Log Cabin Fence Installation School. One visit to our facility and you'll know why the Log Cabin Fence Company has become the authority in the fencing industry. And remember, support for your Log Cabin Pro Driver is just a phone call away. The reasons to buy a Log Cabin Pro Driver are clear. 6 unique models with countless options to meet your specific fencing needs. Manufactured by a professional fence installer. Auger system included. Financing and leasing programs available. Made in the USA. With superior service after the sale.
Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the Log Cabin Pro Driver. We've combined years of research and field testing to develop a product that will substantially increase your output and profits. To learn more, visit our website or call the number on your screen.